Hey guys, and welcome to FX Market Strategy. Please confirm if the sound is good. We're looking at the bound CHF chart right now, and as we discussed in the weekly forecast that we do expect the bound to get weak, and that's the case. And watch out, there is something to pay attention to. Hi Mr. Hassan. The dollar is coming down, which should make the pound go up, but at the same time the pound is coming down. So one of those two moves is fake. So either the dollar is going to bounce back up later, or the pound is going to bounce back up. In my opinion, I can think the dollar the one is going to bounce back up later on, either tonight or tomorrow. Okay, guys. So watch out. At the same time, the dollar is coming down, the pound is coming down. That's not normal, mostly. Okay, so that's something to pay attention to. So this, I would be happy to sell this one probably here. Okay, so that's my entry right there, and I would go for 95 pips. Okay, guys. So if you would draw this one, why this is so slow? Because this is the black one. Too much math. Because last week we did give two sells and bound Australia and bound New Zealand and bound dollar. Three of them work really good. Even bound New Zealand from last week did hit profit today, so that was good. Okay. If we zoom this a little bit, and today we did take okay. If we focus on this one, this is about the crash, guys, in my opinion. Look at these levels. They have been a strong support for multiple times. Okay, so very important, this strong support for multiple times, not only one, two, almost three, this close to 4, 5, you know. So this is a very high priced watch. For the latest support, this was the support level. Okay, so this one. So let's pay attention to this one. Okay, so this was the resistance, and that was the main support. The medium support one was right at the middle here. Okay, between was used as kind of support in this area, and resistance here and support here. Kind of, we're gonna take the average of them. Okay, right there. Okay, and the previous one was right there. So if previously we consider those 5 waves, just to give an idea of what possibly could happen, that's all. Of course, they're gonna call this extended or so, right? Because this is too big. Anyway, so basically this is a range. Okay, guys, this is a range from the bottom right here to the top right here. Last week we catch 2 cells right here in this area exactly, almost right at the top. 3 cells, bound Australian, bound New Zealand, bound dollar, as I just mentioned, and 3 of them were fantastic. But now we're taking bound CHF because we expect the CHF to get a little bit strong first before it gets weak. Okay, if you want to take profit right there, that's possibilities. Okay, if you want to wait, hopefully we can get this one, that's also an option. The lower band here, there's a trend line. I do expect this trend line to be broken. Okay, guys, I do expect it to be broken to the top side. Of course, your stop loss will be a little bit high, will be here because we're a little bit late entry, but I hope we don't get hit. So we're gonna go for 95 bips profit, guys. 95 bips right there. I'm gonna put a line here at the price so you can guys see it. So the take profit is 1.1823. 1.1823. That's my take profit right there. I'm gonna make it blue or so it will be shown as a take profit. I don't like this very strong blue. Yeah, that's good blue. Okay. The stop loss should be at the top here. And we're gonna make this red. We can make it like pink or so. Okay, guys. So if we draw this sideways, so you can see where we are right there. Okay. All this just a big correction wave for a big strong down wave. So if you zoom this, look at there. This was a strong move down from here to there. That's a trend line. See this trend? All this move, this sideways move, I don't want to just make it, this one, this channel is a correction for this big top one. What can confirm a correction? Possibly, let's put the Fibo levels. Okay, from here to here and see this level is going to be around between 61 and a little bit higher, but possibly. Exactly at 61. So when the price did come all the way down from here to this one, it did do a correction at 61. It did come down to the 38. It did go back to retest the 61, coming back down. This coming back down at least is going to go to the 23.6, which is this level right there. We can go for a higher profit more than 95 bips, but for me, I'm happy with the 95 bips, which is going to be landing almost at the 50% Fibo levels from the top down here. Okay, guys? So this, how can I see the chart? Zoom it again. Can expand it. Okay, guys, I hope this is clear. Okay, it's not complicated at all. So this is the explanation why I would take such a trade. Okay, guys. So this, and I'm gonna draw it here to make it easy. I'm gonna take also this off. So basically, what we have is a downtrend like this. I'm gonna make it red because it's downtrend. Okay. Then the price did go up to do correction. Just I'm gonna change the color. So guys, we did enter the pound Australian pound using pound dollar last week, right there at the top. But the pound franc, we entered right there. A little bit late, but probably that's okay. And our target down here is a little bit only at the 50. So this is our trade, expected trade right there. If it does work out to be good. Okay. Of course, today is first day of the week, so you guys don't be too heavy in 2 minute trades. Just wait, only take one trade with small lot size. Because you know, first day market usually goes the opposite direction, stuff like this. Also, you have to know this is a support area. It did bounce multiple times from here, so watch out for something like this. Of course, any breakout above this level, it may trigger a buy. Okay, so we are done with this one. So this is just a pure technical analysis, guys. Okay, so this is just a pure technical, looking at the chart and putting our lines, putting our understand if this is a trend or a correction. It's going good now. It's going running down here and into profit. So it's really good. That's for our time frame, guys. So if you take a small time frame, it's gonna look different. Of course, because we zoomed this one, scaled it fixed. So take it off. It starts right here. Okay. It would have been nicer if we entered early right there, just like last week. So that's why I said the entry is a little bit late. Right here is a little bit late. Also, this is, you see, this also has a support level right there. But I hope it will work out still to be good. Okay, it's not the best entry. You were kind of 100 pips late, but I hope it will continue in the big time frame to be okay. Okay, guys. So this is the chart, and this is the explanation, and this is the trade, and this is the stop loss, and this is the take profit. What's going on now? The New Zealand is really weak and the euro strong. I probably can take this euro New Zealand trade, guys, for now. 100 pips up or so. I would. It's better to wait because this is probably the end of it. We expect a double top right here, so wait a little bit. Don't take this trade. Wait, don't take this trade. What you should do, just wait a little bit here extra. See if we can get a rejection from this price. And this will happen only when the dollar index is going back up. Okay, guys? So wait, don't take this buy or sell right now. Of course, if this maybe making, I said last week is making a double top. I'll show you guys my forecast for this one. Hi, Imran, how are you? Guys, we're just gonna go to trading view. So we're just gonna jump to trading view, show you guys some of the charts right there. So this is about CHF. You can see this is a big run. This is a correction to the 61 level, then double top, then the price is coming back down. Okay, this was a strong support previously, so watch out. That's why you get a lot of choppiness around this price, and you can see this correction wave right here. So possibly the price after this big candle, so it did come down, it did do a retest right here, after then bouncing back down. Possibly this will continue down. Some people may take a profit right there. Okay, and watch out. This top is the 61 from this top. Okay, guys, watch out. So this is the chart we're looking at right now, and we expect this to continue falling down. Looks like it's going good so far. Okay, the other chart we wanted to see. Uh, yeah, that one. So since the price was 1.7960 in the Euro New Zealand, okay, it was just right here. It's a problem. Okay, guys, the screen is good now. So we said keep the eye in Euro New Zealand. If we get double top with clear price rejection, we will short it. So this was the forecast. See what happened. Okay, so it did reach here. It's making this. So we may be getting a head and shoulder in this area. But we get the same idea. In this area, we may get some kind of correction. Then we're going to wait to confirm a sell. Okay. The bound CHF is going really good so far. So that's really nice. So that's good, guys. It's already in 10 pips profit. So good. So we're going to put the signal right there with typing. Okay, guys. So this is the trade so far. I think is going good. So if we look here, you can see the pound is really weak and the euro strong. So also, if you guys want to take a euro pound, it's okay, probably going up now, but I would not be willing to sell to buy the euro now. Okay, so I can see this to work out good. This is bound CHF. The other trade possibly is gonna continue to come down, but later is the pound dollar. This is a little bit is not the best. We did take one trade here. We can actually take another one here. It's a little bit risky, just to let you guys know, but we can take it. Okay. You can see this is a little bit lower price. So we can sell this one, but with a smaller lot size, we can just sell something small. So I can have, less stress. Then this one, I'm gonna go for 110 pips. Okay, guys, make it like this. 110 pips from entry, exactly like this. So what we have here, we do have a double top right there. Okay, it's so super funny, and this big run wave. This could be running a correction for something bigger if the dollar index is going to fall more. So after this such a big wave right here, there was a correction going on. just very close to the bound CHF. Okay, guys. So this may continue coming down all the way here if the dollar index will get strong. So this is a possibility right there. So just to remind you, we said this is not the best one. The best one was right there. We did take it last week. We were re-entering with a continuation right here. Okay, that's actually sitting at support, so it's not the best place. Just to let you guys know. Mr. Sashkul saying that target in pound franc is 1.1845 because it's right there. 1.45. 45 because 45 is a little bit higher right here, guys. Okay, so right there. This because this was a previous also support and probably one of the key levels right there. So it's your choice. I use a lot of mathematics in it, so that's why I use my targets. Not exactly to be a support and resistance exactly, but mathematically kind of use some formulas and stuff. Okay, so guys, you can take the profit at 1.1845, or if you want to go for further down, 1.1823. Hopefully this will work out good. So far is running good. We do expect further down, so that's nice. If we do put a smaller chart, you will be able to see it better like this. After the price becomes below this support, which is the 1.1880, you should move your stop loss to entry. Okay, guys, after the price becomes below this one, you should move your stop loss to entry. So how much is our target from this point to this point is exactly 90 pips. Okay, guys. Mr. Sashkul saying that he expect the pound dollar to go up, but you have Mr. Hassan here saying he's expecting it to go down. And that's what make the market, guys. Okay, that's what make the market get up move and down moves and different opinions. And as we said, this is sitting kind of a support area, so watch out. We said this is not the best entry. That's why I took a small lot size. Okay, and at that time we know the dollar index is going down a little bit, but to be honest with you, I do expect the dollar index to reverse. Okay, so watch out for something like this. Going. So this is the trade right there still. First day of the week, of course, the market's kind of a little bit slow. You can see Australian showing strength now. We do expect the Australian to come down later. So let it go up. Don't join this direction of the market. later on, then we're gonna be joining. The dollar is the weakest currency now, so everything is going up against the dollar, guys. Just to let you know. And this Euro New Zealand, we are waiting to take a sell from a higher price, hopefully. This may be making head and shoulder here, guys. It may not reach up here. So this may be forming something like this. What would be the best way to trade this one? Would make a support area here at the this one, which is kind of the neckline for this one. And this also is going with the trend line. You can see the trend line right here. If the price will break below this level today or tomorrow, we will take a sell from here. Okay. And target, we can target the, you know, we can take a target right there, at least this one or this one. Okay, guys. So Euro New Zealand, I'm gonna put it down here. So what we want to trade this one, we want to trade the breakout of this range in area. Okay, all this range and patterns, guys. This is the end of a trend, in my opinion, and this is a range and pattern. So this was a very clear uptrend to here. We got to a range in this area. Okay, that was a clear range in area. That was a clear uptrend. Okay, and watch out. Previously, there was also one wave down. That was another one wave from here to there. If we make this black so you guys can see it, same scenario here. Okay, so that was one up wave followed by a correction. Okay, one up wave followed by correction. Then, in my opinion, this is the last wave. But we are not gonna even just jump quickly to this one. We're gonna wait the breakout to the downside to confirm this is a downtrend right here. Okay. If you wait and you get a price from a higher area like this with a rejection, this is possibly better. But if you kind of know how to take this trade from the top right there in this area, if you can take a sell from here with a price action, is much better price because you get 200 bips extra. You'll be ahead of anybody else. So I hope that the trend is clear. One wave up, correction, one wave up, correction, one wave up. Then we're getting possibly also maybe run into a triangle here or this. This could be a little bit of complex correction. Just wave A, right there. We'll see where this wave will end. This will be right into a triangle or just a regular flat right there. As we'll see how this wave will end. Probably it's gonna be something like this. Then we're gonna have a break out to the downside. Okay. So this is the big picture of a chart. I don't expect this to break and go up, make another wave. Possibly it's not gonna happen. Possibly this is just gonna give a corrective pattern right here, either a simple or complex. Then after this is gonna break to the downside. Then we should be trading this break to the downside. At that time, I do expect the dollar index, of course, to be strong. Okay, so we will take this trade. Okay, guys, so we will sell only Euro New Zealand when the dollar index is strong. We have Mr. Imran here expecting the pound dollar to go up to 1.3150 first, then it will reverse. Okay, guys. So it's good to get multiple opinion, guys, so you will know what's going on. Okay. So this trade is going a little bit up. This also reversing a little bit. So, okay, guys. These are the trades. What's going on? Euro dollar is a buy. Pound dollar also is a buy. Australian dollar is a buy. Okay, don't be too heavy, guys, today in the trade, as today is the first day of the market, and usually Monday the market will go against what's going to be. So it's better either to take a very small trades or to avoid the trading. Okay, pound CHF, the one we took is kind of minus 0.04, is a little bit to the downside, but not too much. So something. Okay, guys. So we discussed multiple charts here. Hope this during the week we're gonna come and we're gonna update them and see how they go. And best luck for all of you guys. If you guys are interested in our trading systems, you guys are most welcome to join our website. So our website, fxmarketstrategy.com. If you guys, for the new members who didn't know, once you log in, you're gonna get to MetaTrader tools. You're gonna get to trading systems or indicators and panels or expert advisors. And very soon, guys, we're gonna have signals providers on our platform. So we're gonna have signals here, right here. The website is gonna be updated, and we're gonna have signals for those who want to have premium signals. And there's not gonna be only one provider. There's gonna be multiple ones. And you're going to have one plan. Once you join one plan, you're going to be able to access all different providers of trading signals. All of them are going to be available to you. So that's something really cool. You don't have to be following only one provider. You're going to have multiple ones giving signals. And that's something really, will be helpful to a lot of people who just want to get the signal. And this is going to be also with a phone application. So the app will be available very soon. You guys are going to be able to download the app and check it out. I hope this all worked out good for all our members and supporters. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me today. Please take it easy. We always say the first day is not a trading day. If you take a trade, only one very small lot size, because usually the market will do either a correction after this one or it's going to reverse. So that's why I don't want to touch anything with the dollar. We said the dollar we do expect to come down a little bit. Then later on it's going to bounce back up. So we do want to join this sale of the dollar. And we want to wait to take a buy for dollar. So euro dollar, for example, I can see it going up, but I do want to buy it. See this? It's very clear it's going up right here. but I can see this to be a correction. So we're gonna be waiting probably in this level right here, in this area. So if the price will go up here, just like this, then we're gonna be selling it. Okay, we will never buy euro dollar right here. You can see this. This is a trend line, and this is a correction. This is a trend, but this looks like starting a strong impulse wave to the upside because the candles are very strong and consistent. But it doesn't matter. We're gonna wait to take a sell, even if we have to wait up to here. See, guys, we can wait 200 bips up to take a sell because we will favor the sell over the buy from a higher price right here. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for joining me today. It was my pleasure. I hope you guys did enjoy this. And sorry, I didn't change the screen when I was talking. Here about the euro dollar again. So I'm gonna just repeat what I said. So guys, for the euro dollar right here, see, we can see this is going up. Is not hidden. We can see the dollar index is going down and the euro dollar is going up. So this could have been a buy. Yes, it could have been a buy. It can possibly reverse from this one or all the way up back to this one. I don't expect this to go farther up. I don't even expect it to reach here. It may actually bounce from maximum something like this. Anyway, so this was a strong candle down. So this is a trend. This is a correction because it's going sideways. See guys, this is whatever you go up, you correct about between 60 and 80% down. See this? You go up and down, up and down. Then this is trend, no correction, very consistent, strong trend to the downside. Okay, so you can see there was a strong selling pressure. There's someone is selling strongly. Okay, guys. So that was another trend. So now this started as a correction, but right now is given a strong impulse wave to the upside. Okay. But for me, I'm not interested in this impulse wave. I'm gonna wait the price here, even if I'm gonna wait another 100 bips, or maximum I'm gonna wait for 150 bips. It doesn't matter. I'll be patient to wait either here or there. Then I don't expect the price to go up here, maximum here. Then we're gonna sell it from this area to get some good candles, strong candles like this to the downside. Okay, so just have to be patient with this one. Let it go up, but the higher price is the better for us. I wish it would reach 1.12 so we can sell it from a better price. Okay. So that's my plan now. If someone wants to join the buy, by all means, you guys, each one is, trading his own account the way he wishes. Just to give you my idea, I could be right, I could be wrong. Just what I can see, the chart would be risk to reward ratio is if we wait and we take a sell from a higher price, this probably will be better. Hmm, 1.8. This probably should be 1.8. Yeah, correct. Okay, guys, so we corrected this one. If you're gonna still stop right here, a breakout, this is gonna be 1.8010. Thank you for correcting this one. And so the stop loss will be at the top right here, and take profit one, take profit two. This will be kind of a swing trade, guys. Is a big trend, big forecast. Okay, so this will be a kind of a swing a little bit because you're going for a big profit right here. From here to there, talk about 450 pips, so it's a big run. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Joni. Thank you guys for joining me today. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day. Hopefully today again in New York session when the market start kind of heating up a little bit because you can see it's really slow now. We're gonna come back and we're gonna discuss what happened in the chart and where the market is heading, and hopefully we can catch some bips out of the trend today. Okay, guys, thank you and have a wonderful day. Thank you for the likes, guys, and support, and for the comments and everything. Also, if you didn't watch the weekly forecast, you guys, the videos posted in the YouTube channel, you guys are most welcome to watch it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.